Hey everyone, welcome to Netception. Now, have you ever noticed when you are playing a video and you want to pause it by pressing the space bar, it actually does is takes you down to the comment section and you have to press somewhere in the screen first for the space button to work as the pause button. It's because YouTube's main feature related to pausing is not actually associated with the space button. In fact, it's associated with something else, that is the K button. So that's what creates the confusion, and we can't actually pause the video when we exactly want it to, and it creates a lot of frustration. So basically, to do pause the video whenever you want, you have to press the K button and see it gets paused. You can try by pressing it right now. So hope you pressed it and hope the video got paused and hope you understood how it exactly works. So now there is something else that YouTube provides, is that seeking the video, and you will see that the arrow buttons work, but actually you can do it by pressing the buttons next to K, that is L and J. It works for seeking the videos exactly how you want it to. So in that way, you can actually pause and seek the videos just by clicking three buttons which are next to each other. I don't know, for some reason none of us actually know about this. Even I didn't knew about it till I found out. Anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, do press the like button and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.